What life inside the SpaceX Starship will be like. The launch will be a signal achievement for SpaceX, which broke ground in 2014 on the rocket construction and launch facility, grandly, but not entirely unjustifiably, dubbed Starbase by company founder and boss Elon Musk. Starship has following features: spacious interior. The Starship is designed to be a massive spacecraft, with a capacity to carry dozens of people. Its spacious interior would likely be divided into different sections, including living quarters, common areas, laboratories, and storage spaces. Accommodations. Living quarters would likely be designed for comfort and functionality during extended missions. Private cabins or sleeping pods might be available for astronauts, along with shared spaces for communal activities. Recreational areas. To promote mental well-being during long space journeys, the Starship could have recreational areas where astronauts can exercise, socialize, and relax. This may include gyms, recreational rooms, and observation decks. Earth observation. The Starship's large windows could offer stunning views of Earth and space, providing astronauts with a unique perspective of our planet and the universe. Research facilities. Starship missions are expected to involve various scientific research, both for planetary exploration and potentially for future missions to Mars or other celestial bodies. The spacecraft may be equipped with laboratories for conducting experiments in microgravity. Autonomous systems. The Starship is designed with the aim of reducing the crew's workload during spaceflight. It is expected to incorporate advanced automation and artificial intelligence to handle routine tasks, allowing astronauts to focus on more critical activities. Long-duration missions. The Starship's intended purpose is to serve as a reusable spacecraft capable of carrying humans on missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. Consequently, its interior would need to support long-duration journeys with provisions for food, water, waste management, and other essential supplies. Training facilities. Before embarking on missions, astronauts would undergo extensive training to familiarize themselves with the spacecraft's systems and procedures. Training facilities might be integrated into the Starship or located at SpaceX's headquarters. Safety and emergency measures. Starship would be designed with multiple safety features to protect astronauts during launch, landing, and space travel. Emergency protocols would be established to address potential contingencies. Adaptability. The interior of the Starship might be designed with modularity in mind, allowing it to be reconfigured for various missions and purposes.